Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Google Docs tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to insert a background image in Google Docs. The whole thing is also known as a watermark in Google Docs. To do this I first open Google Docs, and here I already have some data that I want to embellish with the watermark. And to insert my background image into Google I click on Insert and Watermark. A menu opens where I can upload an image. I will select a picture from my desktop. Once the image has been uploaded, I already have a few options. On the one hand, I can adjust the scaling and I can set whether the image should be faded or not. If I uncheck the faded box, we can see that the image is very intense in my background. If I check the faded box, however, it is too transparent for my taste. If I want to adjust this more precisely, I first uncheck the box, click on More Image Options, and here I can set the opacity as well as the brightness and contrast. For this example, an opacity of about 50% should be fine. Once I have finished, I close the menus and I have inserted my watermark in Google Docs. If I want to edit my watermark again later, I can call it up again at any time over Insert and Watermark. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.